In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M35, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then tap on All Services. Select Autofill. Autofill with Google and Google Password Manager. Now it's time to select password at the bottom left corner and tap on any password that you wish to check. Then enter your screen lock and tap on this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!